Hey y'all, this week's quick tip is about Google Drive shortcuts, but this time from the perspective of opening a file that someone else has shared, and you can add that shortcut back to your drive and organize it. So for instance, this Google document that I have put together and will make available below this video is all of the Google quick tips that I have posted on YouTube, broken down by category. So I'm going to continue to add to this document each week as new videos come out. So when I share this document, you don't really want to make a copy. You want to add a shortcut to your drive. That way, you always have access to the original document and you get those updates. What you want to look for is next to the title of your document, there's a star where you can favorite your items, but then there is the Google Drive symbol with a little plus sign on it. And if you hover over this, it says Add Shortcut to Drive. And so if you click on this, this is how you can actually organize it and put this into your drive in whatever folder works for you. So you can select the folder and add shortcut here. And then your little icon will show you that it has been added to Drive. Now, by default, most of the time when you open a document and you are logged into your current Google account, that document is usually going to pop up in your recent in Google Drive. But this way, you know for sure where it is and how to get to it. So you'll see that add shortcut to Drive pop up in files that are attached to Gmail. You'll see it in all the applications, slides, sheets, everywhere. So it's really good to understand how this works and how to use it. And especially with a document that's living like this, that's going to continue to grow and change, you don't want to make a copy. You want to add it to your drive. I hope you like this tip. If you do, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, and subscribe so that you get notified when new tips come out each week. And if you haven't, hop on over to shakeuplearning.com and subscribe so you get these things delivered to your inbox. Until next time, bye y'all.